Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Wiz. In today's video, I will show you how to follow someone on the Character.AI app so you can stay updated with their latest AI creations. So let's get started. First, open the Character.AI app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. So to follow someone, you need to visit their profile. You can do this by first, searching their username in the search bar. Second, finding their character and tapping on their profile from the characters page. So for now, we will be doing it through Explore page. So tap on Explore at the bottom. Okay, so here are so many pages that are recommended. I will just choose this one. Now tap on the character name at the top. Now tap on the creators link at the bottom. It will lead you to their profile. Once you're on their profile, look for the follow button, usually near their name or profile picture. Tap on it. And that's it. You're now following them. And that's how you follow someone on Character.AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.